Are you guys ready for today's DIY? Because I'm going to show you an amazing home remedy how to lighten, brighten dark areas of your skin, whether it's your underarms, your knees, your thighs, and it's going to work for good. So I'm so excited to share. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see new videos every Wednesday and a bunch of DIYs and home remedies too. Also, my website has free secrets, anita-samantha.com, live sessions with me, and an ebook with secrets I don't share on my channel. So before I share this powerful remedy, I do want to put a disclaimer. Number one is make sure not to shave. Obviously, this is a really powerful thing that works, so you want to schedule shaving a day and a half before applying this home remedy. Also, you want to make sure you wipe off any deodorant gently before so you get the best results. And through the video, I will be showing you some alternatives if you have sensitive skin or if you don't have the ingredients. So today was such a beautiful day. I kept wanting to change my filming setup just to appreciate the blue skies because nature is just insane. So the first thing you're going to be needing is some baking soda. You guys know baking soda is a natural bleaching agent for your skin. It works very strongly in lightening any dark areas. You can see I have ripped mine open like a savage and I use it all the time. All baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, by the way, for those of you in other countries. If you don't have this, you can also swap it out for some white flour. Next, you'll be needing unrefined organic coconut oil. I will list the one I use down below with a link to the cheapest price I found it online. And this will work to combat the harshness of the baking soda while soothing your skin and brightening it. And this actually works as a natural deodorant if you use it under your underarms. So it's amazing. I swear by it and I bathe in it. Third thing you'll be needing is water, and then I'm going to go over exactly how to apply it and how to make it and some more alternatives, so keep watching. Now for this mixture, you're only going to need a small bowl and then a tablespoon. This is going to help us with the measurements as well. So let's jump right into making it. Real quick, look at my orchids in the back. They're real, they're growing, they're flourishing. I'm so proud right now. Now jumping right into making this amazing home remedy, you're going to be needing 2 full tablespoons of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Now, if you have super sensitive skin or if you don't have this product, you can swap it out for white flour. Much more mild when it comes to brightening your skin, but it still works really well. You guys are watching right now and hear me say this, comment 3-minute mark down below so I can show you so much love in the comment section. Once you've put the 2 tablespoons in the bowl, it is time for the coconut oil. You guys know mine is literally empty. It's time for me to get more, but you're going to want to get a nice heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure it's at room temperature so it's this soft consistency, and then you're just going to let it glide right into the bowl. It's so soothing to watch. Last thing you want to do is add a tablespoon of water. Look at how perfectly, by the way, I poured this tablespoon. So we're going to pour it into the mixture and then it's time to stir and blend everything all together, and you guys are going to see it creates a paste. So remember, 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate or flour, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon water. And you guys are going to see that it becomes almost like a toothpaste. It looks like toothpaste, but obviously it's not. And that is the perfect consistency that you want for this mixture. Now, this can be applied the same way on your armpits, on your knees, on your thighs, wherever the dark area is, but you want to make sure that the area is clean before, so you can either gently clean it or just make sure it's clean before applying, because you don't want to rub it too much before applying this mixture to increase irritation. So I like to apply this with a brush. You can use your hands. When it comes to my underarms, I feel like the brush just helps apply it to the exact area areas I want it at. So I'm going to take a nice amount of this and start to apply it in back and forth motions, brushing it on my arms. If you're using your fingers, you can just like start rubbing it in circular motions, but I find that applying it with a brush is more mild, but it gives the same results. So you want to apply about 4 to 5 layers of this, and you're going to notice it getting thicker the more that you apply it. Once you apply it, it is a very important step to let it sit for 15 minutes, and if it's your underarm, I try to fan it. I try to keep my arm up because I want the product evenly distributed. So many people who do this, they'll shut their arm and then the product is not evenly distributed, so you don't get the best results. So I'm going to show you guys what it should look like after the 15-20 minute mark, but in the meantime you just want to be patient, listen to music, check out my website, my Instagram at Anita Samantha, stalk me, at me so I can shout you out if you're watching this right now. And yeah, this is what it looks like after the 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do a very important step, which is removing this paste. If you don't have sensitive skin, I recommend just using warm water and a washcloth, but if you have sensitive skin, it may be better for you to use a wet paper towel, or you can just take a shower, use your hands, and make sure you gently rinse it with some soap and water and then dry it out. I always like to take a shower after this regardless, and here are my results. Don't forget to comment down below how it worked for you. Leave me love in the comment section and let me know what you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing, being here, and I will see you very soon. Wednesdays for new videos, and I may do more in between plus live. So turn those notifications on and I'll see you soon. Mwah.